Yesterday I tried a fisheye lens for the first time. It's a TTArtisan 11mm manual lens made for Canon R cameras. I used it on my Canon R5. There's no autofocus or electronic settings. It's all manual. You get a focus ring and an aperture ring, and that's it. Bradford was my testing ground. It was sunny, colourful and full of life. At first I didn't know what to expect, but after 10 minutes of playing I got the hang of it. I used exposure bracketing to avoid blown highlights. Then the real fun began. You can get incredibly low and still fit the whole scene in. Street markings look bold and dramatic. Buildings curve and stretch in strange, wonderful ways. You can get close to tall objects and still capture them fully. But to make things big in the frame, you need to be close. The town hall looked amazing from up close. The baby statue shot makes it look miles away. I was almost touching it. Street signs and lights become powerful focal points. You see familiar places in a completely new way. The new pedestrian area looks brilliant through the fisheye. Benches curve, trees lean, buildings twist. The 11mm view turns Bradford into a comic book. People photography is hard. You have to wait till they're close. But the depth of field is massive at f11. So focus is easy. Every shot feels a bit surreal, but that's what makes it exciting. It's a lens I'd recommend to anyone who wants to shake things up.